Welcome to my comprehensive review of RapidTax, an online tax filing solution designed to simplify your tax preparation process. In this video, we'll dive deep into what RapidTax offers, how it works, and whether it's the right tool for your needs. Starting with the homepage, RapidTax has a clean and straightforward interface. The landing page greets you with an intuitive layout, guiding you toward filing your taxes without confusion. The main menu highlights key sections like Start Your Taxes, Pricing, and FAQs. The website also emphasizes security, which is critical when dealing with sensitive financial information. To begin, the sign-up process is smooth and straightforward. You provide basic details, create a secure password, and are then directed to the tax filing dashboard. Here, RapidTax offers a step-by-step wizard that walks you through entering your tax information. The interface feels approachable, even for first-time users, as it uses plain language instead of complex tax jargon. One standout feature is its automatic data import option. If you have a W-2, you can upload it directly, and RapidTax extracts the relative details. This saves time and reduces errors. Additionally, there are prompts to ensure you don't miss deductions or credits that could lower your tax liability. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to explore helpful tools and guides that complement your tax preparation journey. RapidTax also excels in providing transparent pricing. Unlike some competitors that mask fees until checkout, RapidTax clearly outlines costs based on the level of service you need. Whether you're filing a simple return or managing more complex financial situations, the pricing tiers are upfront and competitive. Customer support is another area where RapidTax stands out. They offer live chat and email assistance, and their response times are quick. The FAQ section is comprehensive, covering common questions about deductions, filing statuses, and troubleshooting. While the platform is user-friendly, it's not without limitations. For example, some advanced filers with unique tax scenarios might find the features insufficient compared to more robust software. However, for most individuals and small business owners, RapidTax provides all the necessary tools to file accurately and efficiently. Toward the end of your filing process, RapidTax performs a final error check, which flags any inconsistencies or missing information. This feature reduces the likelihood of issues with the IRS. Once your return is complete, filing electronically is as simple as clicking a button. You will receive confirmation once the IRS accepts your submission. Overall, RapidTax is an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable, straightforward tax filing service. Its strengths lie in its ease of use, affordability, and responsive customer support. However, it's always worth comparing options to ensure you're choosing the platform that best meets your needs. If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.